Okay, here we go. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's see. I think that's probably enough. It's the power and danger, like amount of energy. Let's explode a hammer onto its face. Oh my god! That was surprisingly easy. Okay, so here is the situation. As you probably see on the high speed, the hammer hits it straight to the nose. And I'm probably not able to calculate the speed of the hammer fragments, but it's pretty fast and it's pretty heavy. Camera slightly off center, so it's going to fly past the camera. I think at least it stopped, and I'm not sure did everything come out, but we are going to open the thing up and see is there nothing left. I felt that the mist was more uniform and smoother. It wasn't clumpy at all. So I have high hopes. Okay, I have some bad news. Here is the peels are left there.
Oh.
And first medium that we are going to use is bananas. That's terrifying. That's absolutely terrifying. It went like hot pea into the snow, and the force that it delivered, that was a lot.
Oh no!
Oh, I think I was too fast with the high speed. I get so excited, but that looks pretty bad. Oh no, that's bad. That was pretty bad. I think that could be your leg or something. That's not optimal. Okay, so the hole wasn't that large, and that's one of the most dangerous aspects of these. That's the only thing that you see outside, like couple millimeter hole, and that's it. So if you think that you might get like hit with like leak, you should always go to hospital, no matter if it doesn't look like bad. And while we are watching the high-speed clip, you can also imagine how this is going to be if that's hydraulic fluid from some machine that has been running for a long time and with the high load, because on those the temperature of the fluid, it can be like 80 degrees Celsius or even hotter. So you are not only getting injected with this like poisonous fluid, but it's also so hot that it's going to burn you from inside. So this is one of the worst like ways to get injured on your workplace. So be really careful with hydraulic stuff and anything that has pressure inside. Okay, here we go. And this is going to be about 600 bars. That was pretty solid amount of pressure. Okay, Hanna, come have a look. Here it goes. Oh my God.
It's almost going through the bob. Oh no. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh.
But it's over also quick.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see which one has the more diameter left. That was pretty brutal. And the video was black and white because we were using our monochromic Chronos high-speed camera. And as you can see, the implosion of this sized model submarine, it's really fast. Even if our pressure chambers pressure gets straight away lower when something breaks inside. So it could be even faster on like real ocean, but just couple milliseconds here also. So it's really fast, these implosions at these high pressures. Here it goes. I go quite slowly again, so we can like see what's going on. 40 tons. 60. Oh my god. If it explodes now, it's the best mess ever. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's going to explode. Okay. So all the compression that we're going to get is from the water. Of course, this is going to leak slightly on the beginning before the seal is completely in. Okay. Yeah, it comes up when you release the pressure. And I can only release about half of the pressure from here. But you clearly can crush water with hydraulic press. That's so crazy. That was so crazy. Yeah, close the box and here we go. Ooh, that's going to be bad hit. Oh my. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! That was quite an effect. Oh my god, let's have a look. That was so terrible.
Oh. Oh no. Oh, it went in. Oh no, it's in him.
What the hell? Ooh. That was loud. Yeah. Yeah, it seems that we hit the ice this time. There is clearly some
Sparks there.
Yeah, but was it so small that did it do like anything? Yeah, I think we have to like try to find the ice. Okay, time to escalate things. 2 giant like power tool batteries, and these are charged full. Okay, here we go. And here you can see really dangerous battery fire. The gases that the batteries release are extremely toxic. They can destroy your lungs and even give you a heart attack. So if the batteries catch on fire, this is like the worst case scenario that can happen. And the cylindrical battery cells, they even fly like small rocket motors. Of course, there is typically a lot of protection around the battery cells. So, for example, if you crash your electric car, this doesn't happen. But this is a great example why you shouldn't play with batteries. On later this day, some of the cells flew like 20 meters away from burning batteries. So this is extremely dangerous. So to prevent this, always recycle your batteries in the right way. At least in here in Finland, you can always return them to the place that sells them. From this site you can find list of Finnish recycling points. And for other countries, your government usually has pretty nice websites about your possibilities to recycle used batteries. Yeah, so that was our yearly wrap up. We have a couple great videos still coming this year. For example, we are going to crush some concrete test samples. I have been waiting that for a long time. And yeah, I'm really pleased on the videos that we made. We got so great ideas. Thanks for everybody who suggested some ideas. A lot of ideas came from you guys. And I also have to say that hiring Hanna to be part of team was a great decision. We have had really fun doing the videos. And Anni said that she has been also really pleased to see that we have great times continuing the channel with Hanna. And next year is going to be probably even better. We are going to finally get the bigger press. We are actually leaving 8th of January to visit the factory where it's made. All the parts are already done and now they're putting it together. And on our visit we are going to test it out. And when we come back to Finland, the press is going to soon arrive. And yeah, it's going to be made by a company called Profipress. And they are a really nice company. It's a family company. We spent a couple days with them in Holland. And we had a great time. And the guys are great. And they are really excited about hydraulic presses, just like we are. So I see great future coming with this collaboration. So subscribe the channel to see the big press really soon. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.